Hi friends! Welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. Today is day 52 and in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis I have created this folded book page pocket, and I want to let you know that Cindy's got a booklet available for download with instructions on how to create all of these pockets. If you'd like more information about the images that I have here, continue on with the video because I'm going to share with you about my paper doll printable kit. Today you will need a book page, glue or tape, ink, and scraps for layering. The first thing you're going to do is take your book page and fold it in half. You're going to take one of the outer edges, it could be the top or the bottom, and you're going to fold that in diagonally to form a flap. Now you're going to glue the bottom and the side edge, and we're going to close that up. And then I am going to go ahead and glue this edge as well. While I'm cutting this paper doll out, I want to tell you about my paper doll collaboration. I am doing a paper doll collaboration this month of October. I am doing it with my friend Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. She has a paper doll collab that is ongoing, and I thought it would be fun to create a printable kit with cutout paper dolls. And so that's what I'm doing here. This is one of the images from the kit. And if you would like to play along with our paper doll collab, you can do that. You can grab some freebies in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi, Journals and Crafts, or you can grab the printable kit that is available in my Etsy shop. Each week, Jen and I will be creating something different, but we're both going to create the same things, but of course in our own way. Just like Cindy and I creating pockets, our pockets are always different. And yet we're following the same instructions. So it's how we interpret them and all of that good stuff. So each week will be something different, and I'll be sure to post that information to my community tab so that you can go there, have a look, and see if you'd like to play along, if you like the prompts. And if you don't like the prompts, play along anyway. Make anything you want, and we would love it. Since there's some white inside where her arms are, I could cut these out with my razor tool, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this marker and color them in just so that they're not, you know, bright white. I think that'll be perfectly fine. And I'm going to go around the edges actually, just to cover any white that I didn't fussy cut properly. Now you could do this with a dauber as well. I just chose, since I had the marker in my hand and it's the color that I used, I figured I'd just do the whole thing with this. But you could use a dauber and ink and, you know, use whatever color you wanted. All right, I think that is done. We're going to go ahead and get her glued onto our fun book page pocket. I chose this one because I thought the colors were perfect. I think it just really goes so well together. I went ahead and created a nice little tag for the pocket. Hopefully it's not too big. Nope, it fits perfectly in there, my friends. So I really appreciate you being here and spending some time with me, and I hope that you're following along with the collaboration. If you've missed any videos, there's a playlist. Both Cindy and I have a playlist with her and my videos on it, and so you can go back and check them all out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.